Good morning. So Kamsi and I are going to go to the grocery store and then come back home, put up the Christmas tree, and then if I have time, I'm going to organize my store downstairs in the basement because it's kind of messy. I want to show you guys the little decor I just did the other day. Those little stockings that we had. So this is what I did. We don't have a fireplace, so this is what we'll have to do. And then these are what I'm gonna put on the tree. I showed you guys that already. And then Chris brought out the tree from the basement, so yahoo! So heading to Walmart for grocery shopping. My hair. I need to wash it. I need to get it braided. I have like a photo shoot on Saturday. And I'm trying to figure out like how I want to do my hair. I want to do like kinky curly, kinky straight, have my hair out, you know. Depends on my outfits and stuff, but I have to figure it out. But if I do a wig, then I want to have someone braid my hair. But I don't even know if I can find someone to braid my hair like this week if I can. Wash it and braid it. So, I don't know. Anyways, Cam, let's head to the stove. He's on his mama-roo, enjoying it. Cam, you enjoying your mama-roo, huh? Okay, let's go. Come here, babies. Ooh, you're a chunkalunka. Chunkalunka. Ooh. Oh wait, I wanted to give you the rest of your meal. Keep forgetting. Ooh. I wanted to call my uncle and see like what he's doing for Christmas because I wanted him to come to Ohio for Christmas. Before I forget. Hello.
Who is this? Who is this mother of two?
Mother of two? I have one child.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. I have one child. I was gonna get plantains, but all the plantains are green. And they're usually 25 cents each, but I don't know if I'll get them today. You gotta get croissants. Croissanty babies, croissants. Look at Cam. Did you wake up from your little cat nap, huh? Did you wake up from your little cat nap, huh? Alright, so we're on the tail end of our grocery shopping. I always want to buy him clothes from here, from the kids section, but when I think about it, he has so much clothes at home. My dad like bought him like a bag full of clothes. So I'm just like, yes, I would love to buy something, but and I just bought something at Carter's the other day, so we're good. But it's so tempting to buy kids clothes, like, because they're so cute. Ooh, they have these here. All right, I just need to get my prenatal vitamins, and then we are good. We are good to go. We're back from groceries. Cam did well. We're back from groceries. Playing with Mama Roo. These are all the groceries I got. So, gotta put them all away. And what do we do before we put groceries away? We clean out the fridge. Wipe it down. As Mommy taught us. Cam. Having fun over there with his Mama. I found this wing sauce at Walmart, Thai curry, so I'm gonna try it and see if it's gonna be good. Focus. Let's try it, see if it's gonna be good. And then I'm gonna do sweet and spicy, so I'll do half and half and see how it is. And then I actually got these. I never buy these, but Chris saw a commercial on TV for this, and he was like, I think he was asking like, are these good? Because I don't think he's ever had them before. Because they're like kind of like American things. So he was like, are these good? And I was like, yeah, they're good. And then when I went grocery, I said, let me buy it so he'll try them and see how they are. But I don't know if he wanted to open it himself. I don't even know. I don't know if I should wait for him to open it himself. I don't know. I'll just make them and tell him that I got it for him. And then as long as Kamsi's sleeping, as long as he's still sleeping, well, I'm gonna put marinate the wings and put them in the oven, and then do the tree, and then hopefully I can do downstairs in the basement. But we'll see how far we get. I used to eat these Texas toast back when I was like living in Pittsburgh in college. So one day I randomly bought it one week, a couple weeks ago, and Chris was like, what are those? And he really liked them, so he was like, next time could you buy some more that bread? And I was like, oh, Texas toast. He said, yeah. So I got 3 boxes of these, and I'm gonna eat some right now. That's defrosting. I'm gonna open up the Christmas box. So we said we wanted to put the tree here in this corner. So I'm gonna have to move this table and then move our wedding pictures out. That's the only logical place that I can think for it to be. Because here it's kind of tight. Here would be kind of tight. That's logical. Here. No, here's best.
Baby girl, I know you know me, yeah. Say I'm balling 2-3 like Jordan, yeah. I'm from the west side, they call the best side. Come beside by my side, baby girl, let's ride. You got a body so hot, I could get fried. And what you want, girl, cause you fine die. And anything you want, girl, me, I'm gon' buy. You got a big booty, see your hips don't lie. Damn, baby girl, what's up? Started from the bottom, now we on the come up. Number 1 in the game, mirror, no, yes, I guess I'm the biggest boss that you know. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Let me show you the coco, say 1, 2, 3. Ready, go. Let me show you the coco. I've been around the world, never seen a girl like you. Get down, oh, oh, get down, oh, oh. Baby, me go on it. Say, baby, me just go on it. Get down, oh, oh, get down, oh, oh. You're a beautiful girl, me you're a red gem. Don't mind what they say, don't send them. I've been to Rwanda, Uganda, Ghana, Morocco, Toronto, once Soweto. But I've never ever seen niggas so fine like you. No, I've never ever seen niggas so nice like you. And truly, you got that booty that can rule me. If love is a crime, you can sue me. So come chill with a guy like me. No, you never ever.
So far I got, I forgot to get hooks for these. And the hooks for these are missing, so I'm gonna order those on Amazon so I can get it tomorrow and then finish up. But yeah, I don't understand why they don't sell ornaments with hooks. These ones that I got had the ribbon on them, which was fine, but I don't understand why you have to buy it separate. All right, that's as far as we got. Kim and I are just hanging out. Kim, come here, babies. Look so like. Let me take these off.
What is it with our black hairdressers? I don't know what's happening.
You just look funny to me. I don't know why.
I feel like the time is changing.
You look a little bit more comfortable.
Oh! Walk out of there if you want to.
Come on.
And then they stop doing your hair, and then they start doing someone else's hair. And then
Kim.
And then they go out.
So we're watching Patricia Bright, chilling, just finished eating, right? Kim had a nice nap. I think he slept for like almost 4 hours. So he woke up nice and happy. Look at him, nice and happy. And you had your foodie foodies? Did you have your foodie foodies?
Let me know in the comments.
Cam, did you have your foodie foodies? Did you have your foodie foodies? Huh? Did you have your foodie foodies? Yeah. Why you make that face? Why you make that face? Oh my gosh, don't make me cry. Why you make that face? Oh, why you make... You okay? Why you make that sad face? That makes me cry.
Yep. You ready for...
Oh my gosh.
It's almost New Year.
You have a minute and 39 seconds.
Minute and 39 seconds. Kamsi, let me hold it for you. Oh, come. Babe, Kamsi's grabbing on this like strong. Like, see. Kim.
Happy New Year.
Not yet, babe.
I need to practice. Happy New Year. Oh, look. Nipsey Hussle.
Yeah, Nipsey on TV. Kim. It was a great 2019, right?
It was a quiet.
It was a beautiful 2019 Kamsi. We came into our lives to change it for the better. So the countdown.
Oh my gosh! I always get like stomach butterflies.
Last moment of
New
2019.
decade, 2020.
Kamsi, do you have any New Year resolutions? Any New Year resolutions? I'll sleep through the night without waking mommy and daddy. Good boy. Okay, let's calm down. You ready? You ready, Kamsi? I know you're just staying up to bring in the New Year with us. I know. I'm gonna do okay?
Yay, baby.
10, 9, 5.
Oh my god. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, Cam.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, my baby. You're like, what's going on?
Happy New Year, Kamsi. Wow, 2020.
2020! It's so much easier to say 2020 than 2019.
Yeah.
Change my batteries and all that.
Happy New Year! Look at Kamsi's eyes. They're closing up.
Hey!
It's like Kamsi was just waiting for the 2020 celebration. Kamsi's about to pass out. You want to hold it? Okay, I'll hold it.
Maybe next year you can stay with grandma and then we can go somewhere. Woo!
Yeah.
Mom, Dad, are we there yet? Mom, Dad, are we there yet? Oh, Mom, Dad, are we there yet? 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 Kamsisochi babies. Na 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 na. Kamsisochi babies. Kamsisochi babies. Kamsisochi babies. Mom, Dad, are we there yet? Say hi, Cam Cam. Mom, Dad, are we there yet? Up, 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 up. Mom, Dad, are we there yet? Kamsisochi babies. Guys, so today I actually have to get ready to go out and do stuff, run some errands today. And I want to do my hair, my makeup for the day. And I actually asked some questions on Instagram, and I was like, I want to do like a ask me your most personal questions to do like a fun video. So I'm kind of nervous what the questions will be. I'm just like, ooh, can I answer this? Can I really make a video on this and post it? Because I don't know what you guys are gonna ask, but ooh, makes me a little nervous, but I'm excited. Okay, so anyways, for my hair, I just washed my hair last night and blow dried it. Oh, actually, let me show you guys my blow dryer. I showed it in my last video, but let me show it again. So I actually have this blow dryer. It's really good. Like, it really gets my hair nice and blow dried straight. And then I actually found this brush. I forget where I got it. Was it Amazon? But I'll try to find a link or similar, but the same concept of this like natural hair brush. It helps with like detangling and without having too much tension on your hair, because the brush is like in parts, so it doesn't drag your hair. It just like, when you brush it, it's like do 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 like that. So I love Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. It's my most favorite concealer I've ever tried. I have others like MAC and NARS that I've tried, but still Shape Tape is still my favorite because it doesn't crease. So it's a really good like airbrush finish. So, and I actually use tan deep sand and deep and espresso for like contouring, but these are them. I got these ones, and Tarte just sent me more. I just got some in the mail yesterday. I was not expecting that, but thank you, Tarte. And then I got the glow wands. You can put these on top of like concealer to help like make your highlight and concealer more glowy, or you can put like on your chest or something, but it's like a glow wand, so it gives like nice little sparkle. So yeah, so I'm just gonna do like an easy face today. An easy face for me is just like concealer and then powder, and then I'll put blush, contour, and then mascara. I'm not gonna wear foundation or anything like that, but Tarte's foundations, did I just buy one? Yeah, this is their foundation. Did I use this? I don't even remember. I don't think I did. This face tape foundation. I should have tried it today, but today I don't want to wear foundation because I know I'll be doing a lot today, and sometimes when I wear makeup too long in a day, it makes me feel uncomfortable. So next time I'll try this, but their face tape foundation. Can't wait to try that. Ready to eat? Look. Nope.
Yummy.
You get to knock yourself.
Oh my god, come.
Get me.
Have your food. I should put out there in his mouth. Release it. Come here.
Like it?
Mm-hmm.
He's good.
Mm. Trying to get used to it. Oh, nice. Gummy. Oh my god, like you put all the saliva in your mouth on that stuff. It's not milk. You don't suck it.
That tastes good. Oh.
Come, how's your food? I see that one. Kamsi.
Ready to eat?
Jump.
You get another babe.
Okay.
Right. Cam, let's pull in the chargers. Hell yeah, right? This shit just gets worse and worse and worse and worse and worse and worse. Hell yeah, right? Let's pull in the chargers. Cammy? Hell yeah, right? Let's pull in the chargers, eh? Hell yeah, right? Good morning, guys. Today is Pamper Day. So Chris is gonna take care of Kamsi all day today, and I'm gonna go and get a massage, do my nails, get some food, probably shop a little bit. So yes. All right, so I'm in my room. I'm just undressing, taking off my shoes, and I'm so excited because I just haven't felt like massage in months. So I'm excited. This is my room. This is my bed. This is how it looks. I should have asked to go to the bathroom. I'll do that first. So yes. So I just finished my glorious massage. I did a 60-minute full body massage, medium pressure. It was perfect. Now I'm on my way to go do my nails. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I haven't had my nails done since the day before I gave birth. Like, I can't believe that. Like, oh my gosh. But yeah, I think I had a good time to give my nails a break, because before then I was doing my nails regularly. So now I gave my nails a good time to break, grow out from doing the acrylics and stuff. So it's ready to go. Yahoo! Trying to think like what kind of color I want to do, what kind of shape, the length. I don't want it too long because I still want to be able to be efficient, you know, with taking care of like a baby and stuff like that. So it can't be too long. So yay! You're so cute, my baby. Yeah. You're so cute, my baby. Yeah. Cammy. My Cammy babies. Yeah. Cammys. Cammy babies. Yeah. Cammys. My Cammy babies. Yeah. Cam. Cammy babies. Yeah.
Dear parents and godparents, you have come here to present this child for baptism. By water and the Holy Spirit, he is to receive the gift of new life from God, who is love.
Kamsisochi, Christoph, Mother.
Kamsisochi, I baptize you, Christoph, I baptize you in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. My dear friends, I have the singular honor to present to you the newest member of our parish family, Kamsisochi Christoph Mother. Hello. Hi. I am cutting cake with my fellow celebrant today. So, who is going to guide us? At the count of
Yes.
okay, who is in charge? Tell me. Okay, good. Okay, buddy. Look at your cake. Okay, one.
S-U-S. I like his name. Kam. I like his name.
Finally. I've been trying to like set my camera up on the windowsill for like the past 5 minutes. Finally found something that will hold it up. Okay, so I wanted to like come and like talk a little bit before like the next part of the vlog, because this year has been like really like crazy so far, like up and down crazy. So I've been trying to vlog throughout the year, but it's been like a lot of things going on. So I'll first start. So New Year's Day, yeah, it's supposed to be New Year's 2020, excited, Junior's birthday. And then what happened was my mom called me early in the morning, because at that time it was like the starting of the day, like early in the morning in Nigeria. So it was like very, very early here. And my mom calls and she was like crying. I was like, what happened? And she was like telling me that grandma died. And I couldn't believe it. I was like, oh my gosh, you know, like my grandma, she was like 91 and she just got over a sickness, some kind of cough or something like that, like a flu kind of thing. And she was fine and she did well. And then, you know, she got through it. And then New Year's Day, she just woke up. She woke up New Year's Day, so she saw the light and day of New Year's Day and stuff, and then she just died peacefully and comfortably at home, which was good. You know, like she wasn't in pain or suffering or sick or anything like that, like, you know, when she died. So I feel like that helps like me, my mom, and my family, like, you know, feel like at peace, even though it's hard. It helps us feel at peace. And then even last year, my dad renovated her whole house that she's been living in. He renovated it and furnished it, so it was like all nice and new. She had like a whole ceremony for her moving in too. So it was like a big deal, and I just glad that, you know, I can say like my family, like, you know, we did everything to take care of her, you know, until she left us, you know. So I feel like that gave me, you know, peace, happiness, and, you know, joy that she lived a good life, good long life, and, you know, happy life, very, very happy life. So yeah, New Year's Day was, you know, really hard, but I feel like right now is like the only time that I actually had time to like sit down and like think about it and like talk about it since then, because my mom, she is the youngest of all her siblings, and there's 10 of them, so she's like the youngest of them. So she's the baby of the family, and she took the whole thing very hard, like very, 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 very hard. Like, and everyone knows, you know, I feel like she's the baby, so that day that she died, like cousins and aunties and relatives were all calling mommy and all asking about mommy to make sure that she's okay, you know what I mean? So everyone knows that like my mom is the baby of the family and she's sensitive, you know. So everybody was asking like, what about Auntie Jet, is she okay, you know? So yeah, my mom took it the hardest. And, you know, like the whole time people always ask like, how's your mom doing? I just say like, she's okay, but she's not doing well, you know what I mean? Because she just she took it the hardest, you know. And I feel like, you know, the whole preparation for the burial and then being in Nigeria and then coming back, you know, I feel like my sister and I and Junior and my dad, we had to, like, you know, be there for her and be strong and, like, you know, not worry about everything surrounding, just worry about my mom and make sure that she's okay. So I feel like, you know, I kind of pushed back if my emotions started coming up, I just like pushed it down because I was like, I have to be strong for mommy. I have to be strong for mommy. So like, I never had time to like really process things and like think about it and like cry for myself, you know. So when we came back from Nigeria, oh, I meant to bring the book. When we came back from Nigeria, the brochure booklet that my mom made for the whole ceremony, so it has like all the children, the great-grandkids, and the the grandchildren, great-grandchildren, and like Kamsi is on the list too. He was the last great-grandchild that was born before she died. So yeah, so when I brought the book back from Nigeria, I was showing Chris, and then like I was looking at the pictures, and I had my cry time, you know. So I feel like I had my time to, like, you know, process everything and stuff, because even in Nigeria I had to still, you know, be there for mommy, especially the burial day. So so yeah, so I vlog clips of, you know, the whole time we were in Nigeria and stuff like that. Wasn't much of me like talking, but just showing of what's going on and stuff. And there was, so yeah, so that burial day, I don't even think I had the clip I vlogged during that time because mommy kind of lost it, so I didn't have my camera on. But when mommy was, oh, look at our neighbors, they're like flying a kite. But like they're not in their yard. Why did they do that? Why did they do that? Anyways, what was I saying? Yeah, so when they were lowering the casket into the gravesite, I was holding my mom's arm, and you'll see in the vlog, I was holding her arm and like rubbing her arm, making sure she's okay. And she was like tearing up and stuff, but she was like holding it, you know. She was tearing up, and then there's a time she like just dropped to the floor and was like, she dropped to the floor and like was like reaching for the casket, and then everyone was like, oh my gosh, get her, make sure she doesn't jump in there. And I told everyone to just scoot back, everything will be okay. And I told mom, I just rubbing mommy's back and just let her have that time, let her have that moment, you know. And yeah, so then, you know, I don't know, it was just trying to explain everything how it was, because it was so much going on. So I don't think I really like talked a lot in the Niger vlogs, but so yeah, so anyways, yeah, mommy's okay. And when we were leaving Nigeria, mommy cried again, and she was just saying like, oh, she's gonna be here by herself, you know, she didn't want to leave her. She just, you know, if mommy had the choice to stay in Nigeria for a little bit more by herself, she would, you know, just to have more closure. But yeah, so yeah, that's it. So I wanted to just kind of give a premise before the Niger vlogs part starts, and then let me see if there's anything else that I wanted to say before anything. I think that was it. So I'm gonna do a video, and I explain this later in the vlog, but I'm gonna do a video just talking about my whole experience of we were being in Nigeria before the whole slew of like the coronavirus hit the US like that, and like seeing it from standing outside the US, like looking at the US, and then what was going on in Nigeria before Nigeria closed down, and we were able to get out literally at the last minute before Nigeria closed their what do you call it, closed their airports. Yeah, so anyways, and then this part was in the vlog, but I'll explain it because we were supposed to leave Nigeria. Well, you know what, I'll just save it for when I do, because it's like something happened and all the drama that happened, like it was hard for us to get out of Nigeria. So I will save that for the video might be like 2 videos after this video, because I will do a video just talking about, a lot of people were asking me how did I prep for like Nigeria with Cam and stuff, and a baby, traveling with a baby to Nigeria. So anyways, on to the vlog.
Everybody say, yeah. Wow. Everybody say, Ami, Ami, Ami. They everything we they pray for, Ami, Ami, Ami. I can't be stuck in the middle, Ami, Ami, Ami. To every pure desire, Ami, Ami, Ami. I won't be stuck in the middle.
You don't like old people.
That's what he loves.
Say.
Just secure a place. So they just said the items.
Everybody say, yeah. Wow. Everybody say, Ami, Ami, Ami. They everything we they pray for, Ami, Ami, Ami. I can't be stuck in the middle, Ami, Ami, Ami. To every pure desire, Ami, Ami, Ami. I won't be stuck in the middle. Oh, yeah, or damo. No matter, no paro, paro. No, they fear for compale. I back myself, kale. We no go corporate. Sticky, Ricardo. I will never lose control. Say, Ami, Ami, Ami. Say everything we they pray for, Ami, Ami, Ami. I won't be stuck in the middle, Ami, Ami, Ami. Do every pure desire, Ami, Ami, Ami. I can't be stuck in the middle. We go fade in the city night. We been living a city life. Even though I ain't living right, yeah, I ain't tripping, I feel alright. Oh, Tarte me slowly, see my money go come. See that they carry my trophy, tell them see me I do go far. You know if you carry my load, the other me can't show. In job, I be T-Fed, me, I hate me, you live far. You don't know why I feel, you don't know for everybody say, Ami, Ami, Ami. Say everything we they pray for, Ami, Ami, Ami. I won't be stuck in the middle, Ami, Ami, Ami. To every pure desire, Ami, Ami, Ami. I can't be stuck in the middle. Rupo, one day, pipi. Bami Joshua Yoko, Rodo. I'm a shy Timba shy everybody say, Ami, Ami, Ami. Say everybody say, Ami, Ami, Ami. Say everybody say, Ami, Ami, Ami. Everybody say,
Everybody say Ami, Ami, Ami. Say everybody say Ami, Ami, Ami. Say everybody say Ami, Ami, Ami. Everybody say Ami, Ami, Ami.
Good morning. I'm actually talking to the camera. I don't think I've talked to the camera since we traveled to Nigeria, and we have like 2 more days since we're gonna be here. But today is the last day for all the events for my grandma. We have just mass, I think it's Thanksgiving mass today. So yeah, I'm ready, about to get Cam ready. He just woke up. Thankfully, I was able to get ready and do makeup before he woke up for the morning. So Cam, say good morning. Good morning, good morning. Look at you in your crusty mouth. Hey. Gabby, baby. Cam, stop biting my bag. Gabby, baby, Cam. What? What'd you look at it? Cam. Oh, look at my baby. He's so cute. Say bye to your great grandma. Let's go. We're heading back into the car. We're gonna go home. Let's go.
Everybody say, yeah. Wow. Everybody say, Ami, Ami, Ami. Say everything we they pray for, Ami, Ami, Ami. I can't be stuck in the middle, Ami, Ami, Ami. To every pure desire, Ami, Ami, Ami. I won't be stuck in the middle, oh yeah, or damo. No matter, no paro. No they fear for compale. Agbára myself kale. We no go corporate. Sticky Ricardo. Mo pé I would never lose control. Say Ami, Ami, Ami. Say everything we they pray for, Ami, Ami, Ami. I won't be stuck in the middle, Ami, Ami, Ami. To every pure desire, Ami, Ami, Ami. I can't be stuck in the middle. We go fade in the city night. We been living.
Of course my battery's dying, but I just wanted to update you guys where we are. So we're in JFK Airport right now. We just landed from Lagos. Alright, I have to change my car, but my camera battery. Cam is being a good boy. Are you a good boy? Are you being a good boy? Is that a Cammy baby? You're a good boy. Is that a Cammy baby? Is that a Cammy baby? Yeah. With his 2 teeth. Okay, so as I was saying, yeah, so we just landed in JFK from Lagos this morning. Our flight got canceled because I think they're trying to just bundle like leftover flights today so that they're so not just flying out like half empty flights, so they just bundled flights together. So we have to wait hours, but we should be boarding in like the next less than 30 minutes now. So yeah, so at the JFK airport it's very empty for JFK airport, and I've flown at JFK airport many times, so it's very empty, but there's still people here, but it's very empty. And then earlier on CNN, we were sitting here waiting for a flight, and then CNN was like, the air traffic control tower at JFK is closed because the air traffic controller tested positive for the virus, so they had to close the tower, clean it, and then reopen it. So no flights even flew out like early, like this morning. So maybe they just started flying again maybe like 30 minutes ago. It's about to be noon. So yeah, it's just crazy. I think I'm just gonna do like another video just sitting down and talking about like my view, my experience like with all this that's going on being in Nigeria, and then seeing on the news like how everybody is everywhere else in the world, because like it's interesting because you can really see when you're out of the country of the US, you can really see what everybody else is doing and what the US is doing, and what their lack of their doing is and stuff like that. So but I will do a video. I'm actually just walking in circles because I'm trying to calm Cam down, because he wants to take a nap, but it's not his nap time yet, but soon time. So he likes to be like bumpy rides and all that stuff, so he's enjoying me pushing him around. But anyways, I just had Shake Shack burger. It was very good. Chicken burger, actually. It was very good. I just can't wait to be home. I still have to explain to you guys like other things that happened, because we were supposed to get here earlier and not happening. It did not happen. So I just can't wait to be home. I will not accept or feel like we're finally going home until we're on this plane that we're about to board in like 20 minutes, and the plane is lifting off the floor. Then I'll feel like finally we're going home. All right.
Everybody say Hameed, Hameed, Hameed. Everybody say Hameed, Hameed, Hameed. Say everything we they pray for. Hameed, Hameed, Hameed. I won't be stuck in the middle. Hameed, Hameed, Hameed. To every pure desire. Hameed.